Hey guys! So basically today we're going to be doing a huge pack opening. So we've got 2,700 points and let's get stuck into this.
Well, I'll open the first pack and Andrew will open up the second pack. First, how many? Oh, I'm going to skip mine. How about I skip all mine is leave all of yours? Okay? Okay.
There's
And
two.
okay.
So we're hoping to get informs or 87 plus rated players. So
It's
for
probably
the
not,
first pack,
oh,
okay,
not
pretty
bad.
bad pack, but
Of course, we've got all of this. This is on the account of the, nice kit there, look at that.
that's pretty good.
So this is on the account of the career mode. I mean, not the career mode, the
New ultimate team.
Road to Glory. So yeah, so all of these players we'll be able to use in our team. So we're gonna keep everything since we've basically just started on this career mode. So send all items to club from all of these except if we get an inform or a good player, we'll send them all a club.
Okay, so my turn. I'll come. Okay. I want to get a good player. I don't want to get the player on the pack. Howard. I do not want to get Howard. If I get
I'll
Howard,
happily get Howard.
I'll do
James
not.
Coleman.
Oh, Coleman. That's
Markovic,
Oh,
that's in pace,
yeah.
and that's helping our.
Yeah.
This is all helping
a
this.
pacey team.
Our
I'm okay with
pacey
that.
our pacey and also our Barclays Premier League team that we're hoping to build on this.
Yeah, I'm actually okay with that. So, Finn, you'll go.
Okay, close your eyes. Turn around.
I turn around.
Turn around. No one looking back. They always work for me.
They never work for me.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Nothing.
No.
Oh, an 89 pacey.
89 pace, yeah, that's pretty good. 81 dribble.
Yeah, okay.
There's some good.
Keep that. Keep all of it once again.
Okay, my turn again.
Don't look this time.
I'm going to do a nose pack with no look. So, bam. Nose packs are hard.
What?
What did I press?
Go down. Cancel. Press A. Now press up. A.
Yes,
Don't
okay,
look,
go.
don't look. Okay. 10, 9, 8,
It's probably already gone.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, that's the crappiest team. Oh, but we got a white kit. We got sniper. I'll take that.
I'm not really.
Sell these guys. Sell these guys. These guys won't do any good.
Yeah, okay. I'll keep all the contracts though.
Yeah, take all the contracts. And the healing.
And sniper.
And center forward to center attacking mid. That sells for quite a lot. And sniper, yeah. Don't take the kit. The kit will sell.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good $1,000 there.
Okay, I'm gonna do a nose skip pack. And yeah, let's get into it. Turn around. You ready? Set, skip. Oh, are you kidding me?
Tiote.
He'll help our team, but
Yeah, he'll help.
seriously.
Lego Dante, it's not very good. Haven't we already got a good send?
Come on, FIFA EA. Don't dog us. Stop dogging
Keep the
us.
fitness, keep the fitness.
No,
No,
fitness.
don't keep anyone, yeah.
Come on, don't dog us again, EA.
Okay,
Stop being
come on.
mean. You're hurting my feelings. Okay, let's do this. It's mine? Oh no,
I'm
it's yours.
taking 2.
Go ahead. Leave it. Let's see.
Diego! That is a good pack.
Guard. It's always hard to get a keeper in, especially from the league you want it.
And we got Pepe, but he's not the right Pepe, but still a Pepe.
Keep him and Linda.
Diego, yes, I'm
easily
happy
take
with
a
that. I'm happy
good
with Diego.
Good. Yep. Let's go. What's on the next? Okay, let's do this.
Messi. Oh my
You
god.
kidding me? 2 silvers. 2.
That's karma.
You
Same
serious?
for contracts. Just
They
sign the
better
players.
give us something good after that. That's just done.
Yeah,
Oh, but we got this team squad training, which is always handy. So let's sell the rest.
Messi.
Okay, let's go.
3. Come on. Messi, give us someone good. Messi, if you give us Messi, that'd be big. I'm not looking.
Oh, you looked. But 3 players, that's handy. I'll keep these 2 since they're good. We got the Manchester City kid.
Oh, yeah, that's good as.
No, sell.
Oh, but isn't that a white kit?
Yeah, sir. We'll still sell.
No, put the. Oh my god. Why would you
Oh,
just
no.
grab that?
Okay. Let's do this. Are you out of batteries?
No, I didn't know.
Okay,
No.
let's do this.
Howard, give me someone good. Give me someone good, Howard.
Let's do this, Howard.
Yes, come on.
Okay, we're down to
We're not
1,350.
looking.
50. Let's see who we get. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Cahill! Yes, Cahill is good. Okay,
Especially for our team building.
get into my club. Good on ya.
Keep
Contracts.
the contracts and sell the rest.
Oh,
Keep the contracts and sell the rest. And Centennial. Keep that. Not the best of packs.
well, we got Cahill in it. That's I'm okay with that.
Keep the contracts and let's. Okay, yep, keep that and sell the rest. Keep it. Sell the rest. Please sell.
400.
Okay, let's do.
Alaba,
Give
give
us
on someone good. Give us someone good. Come on, Alaba.
Okay,
Bayern Munich left back. Give us
troll
someone
face
good.
one.
Yes! Yes! That's how you do it.
He sells for a lot.
Wait, I'm just gonna check.
How much does he sell for?
Oops.
No. Okay.
Mere price.
Yeah!
Oh, 13K!
Go sideways.
13K!
Yes!
Yes, oh
Yes.
yes, what a legend.
Yes, thank you very much. We'll easily take that, no matter how. Oh, yes. No, but yeah, go up. Go up.
I'm gonna send him to club, even though it's bought online, so he's not actually helping us.
Oh, no, keep Shane Long, because he'll help us. Keep the
Next
contracts. Yes.
Yes, that's good as.
Oh, I knew he'd sell a lot. Yes. Gonna get some easy coins from this. Sell the rest, sell the rest.
Keep him.
No.
He looks good though.
Sell the rest. Okay, let's do this.
Pretty lucky players now.
Okay, troll face pack, cause that worked last time.
Huh?
Troll face.
Okay.
Okay, ready, set. Oh, you kidding me? We could have. Oh. We've got a Serie A that might come in handy later on.
how would that help?
What? Look at this physicality. Are you kidding me?
Oh, 87, keep him.
I want to see how much he sells for.
900.
Still nothing. But still, 87. Jesus.
Just,
Oh
we've got a lot
God.
of contracts here. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's do one more pack. Come on, drop. Okay, let's no looking. You take. That's good. Game is he'll easily go. We're getting heaps of players from the right team. Okay, keep that. Keep them.
All of them.
No, yep. Barclay's good. I've played with him. Keep the whole thing.
Oh, what? Did these guys suck? Oh,
No.
should we keep that? That's a home kit. That's better than
No.
that one.
Nah, sell them all. Wait, no, keep them all, I mean. Okay. Okay. Gonna let this pack roll.
Come on.
Don't look, don't look. Don't look. Don't look.
Oh, that's okay. 80
Step
dive.
below.
80 dive. That I'm okay
80
with that.
dive, he's serious. He's not gonna sell for anything.
And then I'm just gonna check. If he sells for a lot.
No.
Not 50. Oh, no. Oh, I'll send him to club.
No, I don't need him.
Oh, okay.
Another good keeper. Sell the rest. Yep, keep that and sell the rest.
I'll just buy one, get one fitness. Okay.
Oh no, keep the France league. No, yep, the French league. Okay, quick sell all.
Okay.
Okay, skip it. Okay, let it skip.
Let's get. Oh!
Vertonghen!
Yes,
Keep him.
that's.
Keep him.
Whoa. Okay. We're getting some really good players here.
We're gonna build a beautiful
91
team.
pace. I'll keep him. I'm keeping him.
Keep the
91.
other guy because he'll help our BPL squad. Barclays Premier League.
Oh, I'm happy with that. I'm happy.
Go get the artist and
Yeah.
that's all. Okay, so let's.
Oh, only 100.
Look
Oh,
at
buy one with coins.
Okay. Oh, I forgot to do one of back. Who did we get? Oh, this will sell. This is whoa. That is a beautiful blue. Keep that. Keep that. That'll sell. That'll sell. Both of them. I'll probably get 1,000 for
Keep
each
the
of them.
contracts.
Keep the contract.
Nothing else. Just sell all those players because they suck.
Keep him because he'll be a good bench warmer for
Oh,
our
yeah,
squad.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so I'll do a nose pack now. Here we go. I suck at nose packs, but I think I'm pretty lucky at them.
Okay, let's do
And
this.
Not gonna look.
Don't look. Don't look. I'll tell you when I look. 10, 9, 8,
It's really cool.
2, 1.
Sarge. No. I thought that black guy was Sarge.
Places. Keep all the contracts and nothing else.
Wow. Oh, backbone. Oh, I'm okay with that. I thought that was basic. I read it as basic. Oh, that was selling. I'll
Oh,
keep
what?
him. Yeah, well.
Keep Johnson. We need him. This Barclays team is really looking good. Okay. Let's quick sell the rest. Quick sell it. Okay. Remember in the comments down below to tell us what players you've got around this time.
Oh, that's
Oh.
not the bit.
No.
Oh, Alan.
Oh, Juventus home.
Oh, that's beast. That's really
How much
good.
is that going to sell for?
No, I don't think it'll sell for a lot. Oh, 1K. That, good for a kid. Good
That
for a
is
kid.
beautiful for a kid. I'll put it for that much. 1.3. That's probably going to sell. That's going to help us heaps. Centennial. Keep that. Keep the CM. CAM. Keep the contracts in. We'll sell the rest and go on to our very last pack. Okay, let's just sell the rest.
Okay. Let's do this. Messi.
Give us something
This
good.
is our
FIFA
last
gods.
pack.
FIFA and EA gods. Just don't dog us now.
Come on.
Don't dog us now.
I'm going to do a 2-pack.
What? Don't do a two-pack. Are
I'm
you
going to
serious?
try and do a 2-pack. Because to give us extra lack.
Lack.
Oh, this is actually working.
Okay, let's do this. Come on, please, please. Don't look either. Don't look, don't look, don't look. I think it's 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Napoli!
Whoa, that is some pace. Look at
Napoli
that
and 88 pace.
That pace and dribbling for CM, that's very handy. Centre club, centre club.
Oh,
Nah.
10?
But I'll keep
That other
he
guy
looks
that we
good
got,
though.
that was. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Keep him. Keep him.
No, I don't want to keep this guy. Oh, I'll keep. No, I won't keep that guy.
No, he'll help us Serie A squad.
Yeah, no, but we've already got like tons of strikers. Oh, glove, that's okay. Glove. I'll keep that. Well, what about this kit? Wales?
No,
Red.
no,
Oh,
no.
no, that doesn't look good though.
Okay, quick sell the rest. Quick sell the rest.
That's all we've got time for today.
Yeah.
Leave a like below. Comment what you'd like us to do next in the description and who you'd like us to buy.
And
subscribe to the FIFA Life.
And remember to tell us who you've got around this time of year. And yeah, see ya.